welcome back to my channel. So today we have 3 new blind bags. So we have this Moshi Monsters blind bag, and it has 2 characters and a collector's card and a secret code for, I guess, your phone.
Or the internet.
Then we have this Playmobil Series 9.
This is the one I am most excited about.
Yeah, that's about it for this one. And then we have My Little Pony.
My Little Pony.
Cutie Mark Magic. So, I don't want to do the magic. Okay, so we have this one here. So, I'm going to go ahead and which one shall I open first?
Playmobil. 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 Yeah.
Okay, so I need some scissors for this one. Let's get some scissors.
Gabby, I'm so excited.
I'm gonna open it up. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
I want the ballerina, Gabby.
This is so tense. Are you ready?
I want the ballerina.
So excited! We got the old lady!
Yes!
Okay, so we have this.
Oh my god.
Where's the old lady on the back? Okay, she's up here. We have the old lady. Right. Let's have a look at our checklist.
This is the one we wanted.
So at least we got somebody new. That's the main thing. So we have, where is she? The old lady here. She's cute. We can have an old lady. Oh, I really want this one. She's pretty. Right, let's go ahead and put this together. I'm going to do a little speedy up here, guys, so that it's not going to be that long, because I'm going to take forever to put this together. Go.
There we go. Yeah, have fun with the head. Get on! Oh, the constipated pain.
And then you hold your bag, you old lady. Okay, and then we have our old lady.
He is now called Donald.
Okay. Donald. Okay, this is Donald. Hello.
Look at her little shoes.
Yeah, her shoes are cute. Damn, girl, you're cute. Oh, she's got a little zippy coat, and her little pinny, and her glasses, her white hair. Woo! She's cute. Okay,
Well done, Donald.
let's put Donald here.
Can we do that one?
Right, let's gonna go for a Moshi Monsters. So I haven't actually opened these before, but these are the ones you can collect on the back. And they're cute. Oh, that cat is so cute. And the little Vinny.
Meow.
Okay, right, let's go ahead and open this one. This is Series 8. If you would like to collect these, guys, I got these from Argos. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh no, I cut the card. And we have Vinny! Oh no.
Oh my gosh!
Okay. The card said Vinny.
What is
I
that?
thought the card would be the same as the person, but this one is. This is a little flower. Ah, here we go. Who is this?
Flower man.
Let's have a look on here. Blossom. Number #139. Oh, we also get somebody else. I just felt in the packet.
Oh my gosh, you get 2!
And this one is... Who is this one? Oh, it's the sock. This is Thready. Thready. It's like Freddy, but Thready. He's a sock. Wow.
He's a sock.
So we got some flowers, and a sock. They are best friends. I love how this guy's eyes are completely different from each other. He's cute. Okay, let's put them together. Best buddies. And on the card here. That's funny that it says Vinny. And it doesn't say any of the monsters that we got. So yeah, cool. Let's put them on their card. If they will stand up. Stand. Vinny. No, that wasn't Vinny. Thready. Okay, so there's that one. And then our last one is our My Little Pony. I'm so excited. And this is a Cutie Mark Magic. This is series. I have no idea what series
Series
this
12.
is. No, this says
Is it not?
collect all 12.
Oh, I don't know.
So I don't know what this one is. But let's go ahead and open this one. Let's make sure I don't cut the card this time.
You cut the card.
I did cut the card. Did you see it at the bottom?
Oh, well done.
Oh well.
Let's go ahead and open it. I'm so excited. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Ready? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh.
Okay. Ah, Lily Blossom. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Is always graceful. Ah, and her little lily on her cutie mark. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, I really love her. She's so sweet. Okay, so we got Lily Blossom for our pony. And she looks a lot like Rainbow Dash. She has the same pose as Rainbow Dash. Awesome, guys. So these are the 4 blind bag figures we got today. And I love them all. If I had to choose my favourite, I would definitely say Lily Blossom. Because she's so cute. Her colours are just really nice. And so, yeah.
Oh, Gabby, she's so cute.
She's so cute.
I love
Okay.
her wings.
Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this blind bag opening. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment below. I wonder if Granny can give you a thumbs up.
Go, Granny.
Thumbs up. High five. Shh. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I will be seeing you in my next video.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye now.
Bye. 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 Bye.